PELSBERRY from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. I have here a piece of board with tape, blue tape, and a little bit of a stencil here. And I have Artist Loft with glitter from Folk Art that I'm going to use to put in the middle. So I'm going to remove my stencil here that I'm just using for kind of like an estimate to give me an idea of how much space do I need in the middle. So for this card, I am applying the pen directly, the paint directly in the cardboard, in the paper. And what I'm using there is a little bit of white to create a little bit of different tones, different shades when it mixes with the blue. So now I'm going to take my little brush and I'm going to smash the paint. Yay! And I'm going to smear it along that area that I had the stencil. What I'm trying to do here, guys, you are witnessing my very first handmade card ever. And I'll tell you the story, who this card is for. So, turns out that last December, I got approved to be a designer for Amazon through Amazon Merch. So, I have my designs already uploaded, but also I have my t-shirts on my Poshmark account. That's glitter that I'm going to put on top just to give it a little more dimension. So I was saying that I also have my t-shirt designs in my store in Poshmark. So this lady named Lisa bought my very first t-shirt. So I am so excited. You cannot believe how excited I am. But anyway, I decided that since she has my very first t-shirt, I also wanted to do something special for her and create this card for her. So thank you, Lisa. And so we don't have to do we don't have to be a professional artist or anything, you know, guys. I just, I just like to play with color. And if I can do this, I can assure you, you can do it too. So the point is to make somebody's life a little bit better and the day a little bit happy for somebody else. So please share with me in the comments if you have done anything today that has made somebody else happy. So I am adding now, at this point, I'm going to start adding dots around this area into the cardboard itself. And I know you're going to tell me, your hand is in the middle, we can't see, but trust me, people, it's just dots directly from the paint tube. So we just use the whatever paint palette colors that we want to use, and that's what we're gonna do. And I will continue doing this, and I will come back and show you how it looks before I go into the next step. But now I need you guys to show me some love and push that like button, and I will see you when I come back. So this is what it looks like. I've added some lime green and some metallic blue with the other shades of blues that I added. Now, with this little piece of cardboard, I'm going to start smearing the paint. And that is going to give it the design. See, there it goes. So every time I swipe or I smear the paint, I clean the cardboard in my napkin here. So let's do this again. And boom. All right, we clean it. But now I'm noticing that I am wasting a lot of paint. So I am wondering, what would it do if I don't clean it for a little bit? So let's see. See, it has a little bit of color. There you go. Cool. All right. So I guess I'm gonna start doing that for the rest of my the rest of the space in that direction, and it's gonna start give it some shape. So I will continue this off camera because I don't want to torture you, but I will be right back. My card for Lisa is taking shape. So now I am going to use the Daubism technique from Dina Tollefson. If you don't know what that is, it's in my previous video, in the video number 178 in my channel. You may want to take a look and see how it's developed. Dina herself teaches how to do this technique. It's pretty much paint and medium at this point, and I am adding and it's called Daubism because it's just little daubs of paint, and it creates texture and it's beautiful. So I feel like my card will benefit from this technique, not only because of the texture, but you will see how beautiful it looks once it's done. I'm adding a little bit of brown in here because I feel that it needs some contrast. And the Daubism technique colors that I'm going to be using, I am going to do them with just solid colors. So I will continue doing this, and then I will use a palette knife to do smaller strokes. And this is just, like I said, paint and a gel medium. So this is how it looks when it's done. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. I painted the blue and then cut a little bit of that thank you from in my printer, and that's the t-shirt that she bought, and that is my t-shirt in Amazon, and I'm so excited about. So at this point, guys, I will invite you to give me some likes, show your love, and subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell for future videos. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.